fellow hairstylists. Have your clients ever brought you a picture of platinum colored hair and you didn't know how or what to do to achieve the look? Did you talk them out of it? Are you still stuck on the old myth that hair cannot be relaxed and colored on the same day? Maybe you know all of these things and you just need to see it to believe it. 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 Come with me on this visual journey as I give you a sneak peek into my Pure Platinum Masterclass. Take advantage of this one-time exclusive offer.
Oh my God!
Platinum hair is one of the trendiest, most requested hair colors in salons today. Sure, you can go to YouTube University and learn from today's most popular kitchen-tician, or you can join Nothing But Beautiful Hair Academy and learn from me, a master stylist who has been slaying this industry way before Cash Money Records took over for
9 in the 2000.
Seriously? I've been doing hair for over 25 years, and one major key to my success in this industry is taking continuing education classes. So no matter where you are in your career, if you are that stylist that is serious about elevating your craft, elevating your pay, elevating your clientele, staying booked and busy and making money like a boss, it is a must that you take my Pure Platinum Masterclass. Learning a skill like this can create a high demand for your services, which can help you attract a high-end clientele, which will allow you to make more money seeing less clients per day. Let's get ready to elevate and slay our way to the next level.